Hey, welcome back to Rob's Garage Woodworking. Today I'm going to show you how I made this custom tool holder with Kaizen foam for my stubby wrenches and for my flare nut wrenches. And this fits in one of the smaller drawers on the Husky cabinet, and I'll show you how I made it. Alright, so the long nose pattern marker is silver and I'm running out of that, so I've got just a regular Sharpie. And you can use a regular Sharpie. You can see it. It's just not as visible as the silver. So we're going to use this and hope for the best. Yeah, I don't like this at all. Maybe I will try the silver some more. You can see it, but it's just not the same. Let's see how far we can get with the silver. Come on, baby. Alright, for the small wrenches, we're going to adjust the height just so that it goes in as deep as the first layer of foam. So that's 1/8 of an inch. So we're going to adjust that, and we're going to cut these out. And when you go around the circles and do corners, use a sawing motion. Once you're on the straight lines, you can just drag it right through. That works fine. You probably do that all the way around if you were really smooth at it, but I find the saw action works really well. So we're going to do that for all these. Now, for these flare nut wrenches, which are quite a bit larger, we are going to make a deeper cut for these. So, I'm going to go down one more setting on the knife and cut those out. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to use a Kaizen spinner, which I've mounted into my trim router, and I have adjusted it with the edge of the knife here to the height that I want to cut it, so the same depth as the knife was. And we're going to plunge it in and drag it through, and this will cut the foam nicely. There you go. That's what it looks like. And then on the other side, where the wrenches are smaller, thinner, we'll do a smaller setting on this so it won't be as deep. Okay? Alright, so you see all the dust that's on this after you've cut everything out. So we're just going to take our airline, we're just going to blow this out. Alright, so we're going to take our foam and we're going to place it in the drawer. Should fit in nice and tight, not overly tight, but Anyway, I hope you guys liked the video. I really enjoy organizing stuff like this. It looks really good, in my opinion. Not everybody has the same amount of space. I will show you another way of organizing that I've done in the past that is has more tool density. All right, and I'll show you all the drawers that I have done like this, and then compare it to other ways that I've done it. So stay tuned for that. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're interested in more content like this, please subscribe. Hit the notification bell, and that'll notify you with when the new videos come out. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching.